All Barcode Systems Barcode Duplication Kit is a custom-programmed barcode scanner and label printer that will duplicate any barcode. Connect the barcode scanner to the label printer, turn it on, and start scanning. With the Barcode Duplication Kit, it is quick and easy to duplicate any barcode. We can custom program the kit to work on any label size, label type, and include any additional information you need. We also have different hardware configurations to tailor fit any industry. The desktop version to allow you to work at any single workstation. The mobile version connects with Bluetooth and allows you to work anywhere. The cart version uses a mobile battery and allows you to work anywhere on a cart. Contact us today and we will get you started on your Barcode Duplication Kit.